The Plummer Spring Channel reconnection was completed in 2013 as a component of the larger WDFW Floodplain project in the middle reach of the Methow River. A key project element was the establishment of a fish-friendly connection between this spring pond and the Methow River. The project was located just beneath Highway 20 between the towns of Winthrop and Twisp in the middle reach of the Methow River. Due to this visible location, the project was extremely high profile and readily observable to the public as they made their way through the project area. Prior to restoration, this culvert restricted access in and out of the pond. To address this limiting factor, a bottomless arch was installed under the road and a channel reconstructed that allowed for access back to the Methow River during periods of high water. Post-project monitoring has revealed extensive fish use of this project area, including in the channel downstream of the culvert as well as in the spring pond itself. Hydrologic connectivity between the Methow River and the spring pond has been established each year since the project was completed and occurs for more than 5 months each year. Surveys have revealed that fish are occupying the spring pond and associated wetlands year-round, even during periods where low water conditions prevent access back to the river. Efforts are now underway to more fully assess the extent of this use.